all information on the map and share it with the social web and the entire internet in one place. So, what makes this kind of service desirable? First of all, users usually get upset when the two services work inconveniently. So, first of all, they want the easiest way to pin and describe locations. They want the most convenient way to manage this information that is stored on the map. And moreover, they want to have constant access to all of this information that is stored on the map. What else? Sometimes you really don't want to give out all of the information out, some kind of personal information, so you need some privacy options of the service. And finally, postal addresses are not more convenient enough. For example, if you live in a big city, it takes time to get to a certain place and find the exact building using just the postal address. So, for example, in the United Arab Emirates, there is no typical system of the postal addresses, no typical system. So basically, when people describe locations in the Emirates, they describe their neighborhood. So, for example, if you need to get to Mahmoudshanabis villa, go straight ahead 100 meters, turn to the left, find the nice lemon tree, then turn to the right, walk 100 meters, find the nice olive tree, and here you are. In this situation, Pinpoint will be of great help. So, what makes this service very special? Dozens of discrete map services accumulate different information in individual databases and provide it to the targeted audience. What makes Pinpoint? We have provided one entire unique database of the all pins that is stored in our service. So our users have constant access to all of this information, and the text search function is made very convenient because the pins or the text in Pinpoint are very much alike with hashtags Twitter. This is very familiar for you, I think. So, what else? We also provide 3 levels of privacy in our service. First is public, second is private, and 3 is secret when you just share the link with your friend. So, what else? Let's go further. Competitive landscape. Welcome our competitors. So, Google My Places being first way and well. They're very nice, but Pinpoint provides opportunity to mark locations and describe and manage fields more conveniently in the easy way. Try it. So, who wants Pinpoint? Very good question. Basically, if you're an unsatisfied user of Pinpoint, if you're an unsatisfied user of Foursquare or Koala, come to Pinpoint and try it, and you might like it better. If you run a business, geographically distributed business, like a travel agency, maybe distribution network, maybe what can it be? It doesn't matter. So you can also try Pinpoint, and you will like it. If you're social media culture adopted, enjoy Pinpoint. So, if you're just an active person who move around very actively and you want to share this information with your friends and online community, you may also like to try it. Pinpoint, try it. So, we are non-profit internet service at the present time, but we will definitely make money. We plan to provide premium account, business account, and affiliate services. We have been working hard, and lots of things we have accomplished. By this time, we are incorporated as Pinpoint LLC table with the timeline. We have the public beta since June. The iPhone application is about to come, and the Android application will be ready. We will introduce it by the end of this year. So, as the public API will be published. So, what is Pinpoint? It is something like Evernote for places. This is a very unique, very easily convenient instrument for everyday use that helps you to store, share, and manage information that users link to the map. Thank you very much, and welcome Pinpoint. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. The first question I have is, as a user, what would motivate me to put information into Pinpoint?
Could you please repeat the question at the beginning?
As a user, what would motivate me? Why would I want to start using Pinpoint? I can understand why I want to take information out of it, but why would I want to put information in?
This is something like your notebook for places. You use, for example, services to store your pictures on the internet to have the constant access. The same with places. You have a special place manager. So this is how we explain Pinpoint at this point. It is your personal place manager. You save the locations, you save the directions, you save the recommendations. You can attach any information. You can link, for example, the event to the specific geographical point, right? You can link your business logistics to certain points, for, as I said, about distribution networks. If you have a logistic company, you can do your business logistics using this service. And besides, you don't have only private map, right? You can also take a look at your at other users' maps, other users' pins, and you can take them to your sets. We have not only pins in our service. We have the sets of pins. They can be thematic or not, and you can add to those sets not only your personal pins, but pins from other users. So the motivation is to store the information, to exchange the information very fast, because in Google My Places, you can't do it that easy. It takes a lot of time. Besides, we, in our service, we speak of different layers of information. Each user brings his own layer for the server. Different points around the map. When you get many users, you have this, like a cake, very layered information, and this information provides you a very objective view of certain point, of certain place, of certain event.
What is going to be your revenue model and how it's going to change?
What changing? Revenue model is, right now we speak of traditional premiums, premium account and business and corporate accounts. We plan, at this point, our service works at its basic functions, but we will introduce new features, and then we will provide to some premium accounts only. Besides, businesses have opportunity to order some features from us, and we will provide them if they want. So. I think people will pay for this. I'm sure they will, because as long as they get used to this service, and they understand it's very comfortable, I think they will. But at this point, the revenue models are very standard, and we think. Okay, I'll just say the numbers. We plan about $2 million per year, the annual revenue, and we're going to reach this amount in about 2 years.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pinpoint.